Welcome to this Digital Anarchy tutorial going over how to use PowerSearch with multiple projects and productions in Adobe Premiere. PowerSearch works based on individual projects, and if I'm searching in this project and then want to search a different project, I'll need to switch between them in PowerSearch. First, any project you search needs to be indexed, which creates the database of transcripts, markers, and captions that you can search. We cover that and the other basics of PowerSearch in our video called PowerSearch 3.0 for Adobe Premiere Overview. I'm currently searching this project. The name is shown here. And I can see the search results for any words and phrases that I type into the search box in this project. To switch to a different project, all I have to do is open that other project in Premiere. So now I have the project panel for my second project open, and then I want to click Load Active Project. If this project hasn't been indexed yet, PowerSearch will let me know that I need to index it before I can search it. So I'm going to go back to the main menu and index this project. I'm going to fast forward through the indexing progress. And now that both of these projects are indexed, I can just open whichever one I want to search in Premiere, click Load Active Project, and then search that project. And then I can switch projects, repeat the search, or type in a new search. The data for each of these projects is saved in the Documents PowerSearch folder on your computer. As long as these folders and the database file inside aren't deleted or moved, PowerSearch will automatically load that project's database when you switch to it in PowerSearch. If you click the back button in the top right of PowerSearch to go back to the home screen, there's also a Load Active Project button here. And it works the same way. I can see the current project here. This shows the actual save location of the database file, and this text before the .db is the project name. If I open a different project and click Load Active Project, I can see the project name change here, and then I can just click Search to go ahead and search that project. If I save a copy of a project with a different name, the original project was called PowerSearch Tests, and I just saved a copy called PowerSearch Tests Copy. If I click Load Active Project, PowerSearch won't find a database for the new copy. That's because the database is saved under the specific name of that original project, but that doesn't mean I have to re-index my project every time I save a copy. Instead, I can load the database from the original by clicking Load from Save, select File, and this takes me to the Documents folder where my PowerSearch index databases are saved. Open the folder with the name of the original project and select the database file to open. Make sure the name is correct and then click Yes. This loads a copy of the database for this new project and automatically goes to the search screen. And now I can search and get results in this new project without re-indexing. This can save a ton of indexing time because while smaller projects don't take very long to index, large Premiere projects with a lot of clips, sequences, and other items in the bin can take a long time to index. If I look in the Documents PowerSearch folder on my computer, I'll see that a new folder and a new database have been created for this new project copy. And I can switch between this project the same way that I was switching between my other projects. Open the project in Premiere, click Load Active Project, either on the home screen or on the search screen, and I can search whichever project I have loaded. If you're working in a Premiere production that contains multiple projects, project switching works the same way. You can open different projects, click Load Active Project, and then search. If a project hasn't been indexed yet, you'll need to index it first before you can search it. While PowerSearch can't index an entire production, if you need to search for a term across multiple projects, you can load one project, search, see the results, load another project, switch to that project, and repeat the search in the new project. If you have your production and footage on a shared server that multiple users are accessing, the PowerSearch database files are still going to be saved locally in the Documents PowerSearch folder. But if you've indexed a project and want to send the database to another user to load, you can send them the folder for the corresponding project. They can download it and then click Load from Save in PowerSearch with the corresponding project open. Load the database file that you sent them, and they'll be able to search that project using the index that you already created. One of the benefits of working in a production is that a user can take just the footage they need and create a project. If I just need to search a few specific clips, I can copy them to one of my projects, switch to that project in PowerSearch, index this new project, and once it's done, I'll be able to search. This lets you target a few specific clips that you actually want to search instead of indexing a large project that might have hundreds of clips. Any transcripts created with transcriptive or markers will automatically be available to other users in the same production because transcriptive saves the transcripts to the same location as the media, which means that I can build a production that has some transcripts, and another user who opens one of these projects will be able to view and access the transcripts, build their own edit or selects projects, and index them with PowerSearch. If a project's been indexed but no search results are showing up, just click the Back to the Main Menu button, make sure the correct project is loaded, and click Search to refresh PowerSearch, or close the panel in Premiere, and then reopen it from the Extensions menu. If you have any questions about PowerSearch or want a free trial, send us an email at sales@digitalanarchy.com.